Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you are with us in previous videos, you know what we are doing in here. But if you are new, we are talking about hacks, tips, tricks in Excel, maybe Microsoft Office package and different tools that we can use to improve our efficiencies in our work. So without a further ado, let's go into today's video. In today's video, I'm trying to give you a simple example of how to use sumif formula and sumif too. There are two formulas, and if time permits, we'll look at countif and countifs too. Okay, let's get into it. So I have this data table. I'm usually having data tables because that gives me the structure to work with data very easily. So that is a kind of a best practice that I follow. So in this one, look at this column M. In that I have my customers, and if you look at column U, there are dresses, t-shirts, type of the products, and then there is order quantities. In this one, I would like to see how many order pieces are in Tesco for this data table. Let's say for that I am going to use sumif equal sum. You can see sumif. It says you have to pick the range, criteria and sum range, right? First I am going to pick the range. My range is this. So I have picked the group. Now comma. Now I have to pick the criteria, right? It's a huge table, so I am coming up, picking the criteria. Picking the criteria and comma. Now I am going into the sum range. What I am going to do is select that, close the brackets. Let's see what happens. See, I got my number here. It's a big number, 5 million pieces. So I have that. Now let's say even under Tesco, I want to see how many dresses are there, how many t-shirts are there. All right. For that, I am going to use sumifs equal sumifs. So for that, I will have to pick the sum range first. This time I am going to pick the sum range first. See, I have picked the sum range. Now I will have to insert my criteria range 1. Criteria range 1 is my customer group. So I am picking that. Now I have to pick my criteria. My first criteria is customer name. Now I have to pick my second criteria range, that is product hierarchy. Okay. Now I have to pick my criteria, second criteria. Second criteria is dress. All right. So I am closing the bracket. Let's see. See, out of that, I have 1.3 million dresses. So if I drag it down, if I put this one down, 373,000. So this is about, this is sumif, this is sumifs. Similarly, we can use countifs. For countifs, count if. So I want to know how many Tesco line items are there. So first I am picking the count range and my criteria is this, closing the bracket. There are 1700 Tesco line items. Out of that, let's see countifs. Now I am trying to find out criteria range 1 is this one, and my criteria is this one. Second criteria has to be dresses. For that I am selecting comma we come back up, dresses, closing the bracket. See, out of that 453 items are dresses, t-shirts 165 items. So it is very simple and it is very handy when you have these type of small information to be extracted from a data table. You can use sumifs, sumif and countif and countifs. Hope you have learned something out of this video today. If you like this video and our content, do share with your friends, like our video and come back again for another new video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.